Wagwan, you don't know. Kenny Good Vibes TV there. Right now, the mission this morning is to pick some Ackee. So the Ackee tree, if you look good, you can see the Ackee them up there. See the Ackee them all the way up there. Set your phone long way. Alright. This is what the Ackee look like. That one don't ready yet. But don't worry. Ready one day up in the tree. Eh? Oh, in the rain time there. Yes. Yeah. Somebody up in the Ackee tree, guys. This is what Ackee look like. One tree. So those stuff that is inside it is what we're gonna eat. Now that one that don't open is not ready. But this one, ready. I'm gonna go pick it. Right, man, so you see it? This is the Ackee, guys. Ready. All they're gonna do is just ox out this. I'm gonna freeze these and take these to America. All I have to do is pick them out like this. Take out the yellow part, but we're going to work on that. See that? Remember, you are watching Kenny Good Vibes TV. Please subscribe for more. Take out the seed. This is the seed.